Seems like a popular question is, what's next for the channel? And I've got several things going to be going on over the next couple of weeks. So I need to take the front bumper off the Jeep. And if I'm taking the front bumper off the Jeep, what do you think I might be doing? And if you guessed a off-road bumper, you're correct. I ordered one of those off-road bumpers where it's already cut out and you just weld it together and then mount it on the Jeep. I also bought a winch. I bought a 12,000 pound winch from Harbor Freight, and I think that'll be pretty good for what I need it for. So after I get the Jeep done, I want to make some off-roading videos. I want to go to an off-road park somewhere around here, and really the only thing stopping me from doing that is I don't have a car trailer, but I'm going to try to get one maybe next year. But what I might do, I may just rent a U-Haul trailer. I don't think that'd be a big deal to do. And you guys probably already know about the Duramax. I'm going to get it painted here soon. I don't have an exact date yet, but should be pretty soon, and I can't wait to do that. I'd like to take it to some car and truck shows. I think that'd be fun. As you can see at the bottom of the Jeep, I got it painted black. Thinking about maybe getting some kind of bed liner, use something like that, and go ahead and go over that again. I think that'd look a lot better. I've even been thinking about doing the hood too. Probably go around these body lines right here. I was wanting to put a spare tire back here, but I don't think it's going to fit with the back seat up, and I might have some people riding in here sometimes. So I think I might be able to get a roof rack pretty cheap, and I'll just mount the tire up there on the roof. And also I got the body work done on the cab corners, so hopefully it won't be too long and I'll get the truck painted. I really can't wait for that. And after I get the truck painted, I still want to color match the grill, and I may even do the bumper. I haven't really decided exactly how I'm going to do it yet. I've been even thinking about color matching the valence piece down here. I've thought about maybe color matching the grill and do the valence piece and leave this bumper right here chrome. But I kind of want to get rid of the chrome, so I don't know exactly how I'm going to do it yet. I may just color match it all. I really haven't decided. But I know definitely for right now I'm going to color match the grill. And I've seen a few pictures of trucks with their mirrors color matched. I don't really want to color match the whole mirror. I'm just thinking about maybe doing these front pieces here. Go around those lines right there, color match that. I think that'll look really good. And I haven't decided whether to black out the rear bumper or go ahead and color match it. I've been thinking about probably color matching it, but I think blacked out would look good also. And I want to see about getting some kind of steps. I like the look of them with them off, but I don't really know yet. Guys, that's pretty much what's going to be happening on the channel here in the next few weeks. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.